In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone an admin in Slack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can confidently grant admin access without second guessing. Before we start, a quick note. You'll need the right permissions to make this change. Typically, only a workspace owner or an existing admin can promote someone to admin. Also, this process is best done on the Slack desktop app or in a web browser, since the layout is clearer than on mobile. First, look to the left side of Slack and find your workspace name at the top of the sidebar. This is the name you see above your channel list. Click it. This opens a menu that gives you access to key workspace options. From here, select Tools and Settings. This section is where Slack keeps most of the administrative controls and workspace management features. Within Tools and Settings, go to Manage Members. This is the central place where you can view everyone in your workspace and adjust their roles. You'll see a list of members. If you have a large team, use the search bar to quickly find the person you want to promote. Double check that you've selected the correct member, especially if multiple people share similar names across your organization. Next to the member's name, click the three-dot menu. This small menu is where Slack keeps actions specific to that user. From the options that appear, choose Change Account Type. This opens a dialog where you can switch the person's role. In that dialog, select Workspace Admin. This role grants elevated permissions, such as managing members, channels, and certain settings across the workspace. It's a powerful role, so make sure the person you're promoting should have that level of access and understands the responsibilities that come with it. Once you've chosen Workspace Admin, click Save. Slack will apply the change immediately. If you don't see a Save button, check for any warnings or confirmation prompts that need your acknowledgement. After saving, it can be helpful to let the person know they've been granted admin access so they can sign out and back in if needed, or simply refresh Slack to see the new controls. That's all there is to it. Click your workspace name, go to Tools and Settings, open Manage Members, find the member, use the three-dot menu, select Change Account Type, choose Workspace Admin, and save. If any options are missing, it likely means your current role doesn't include permission to manage roles, so reach out to a workspace owner for help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your Slack admin tasks.